Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. So, dear students, actually we are right now in week 9 and you already seen yeah, I remember I gave you the assignment to develop the calculator and deadline is over. You already submitted the assignments. So let's see again how we can develop a calculator in C Sharp using the visual controls and events. So let's start. So first of all, we are going to open Visual Studio .NET and then so this is the Visual Studio. Click File and New Project. New project, we'll go to the Windows based applications and right select the Windows Farm applications and here give the name of the project. Okay, so this is the our project first form and first of all you need to change the uh, title of the form. So first of all I just created a new form and for the security purpose and to make sure everyone is doing his own assignments and using his own computer, and that's why I'm going to add some security features and every assignment and every quiz and every application when you're gonna develop something, everyone need to add this line of code in their project as well. The title should be the machine name plus the name of the user. So this is the form. When you load this form, they should be uh, the title should be the machine name and the login user, so I can understand who is doing what kind of work, who have done actual work. Okay, for that purpose, just right click properties and there is an event. Okay, click here events and click load event, double click, you will go inside the functions. So what you will write here, this last text, that will be display comments, and let's try this dot text is equal to hello, this my first cal calculator application, and close and then run. You'll see here the title my first calculator application. What we want to change this, the name of the machine, automatically get the name of the machines and the username. For that you need to write this dot text, and inside the text there should be environment. From environment take the machine name and then concatenate, add some and environment dot username. So when you run this app right now, You can see here the name is laptop and this Khan is the username. So everyone when every time when you develop some application, that might be the assignment or lab project or whatever kind of thing, you must need to write these lines inside your code so I can judge who is doing the actual work. This is to prevent the copy paste because some students just copy the images and submit as an assignment. That's not fair with others. So to prevent this, everyone need to write this line of code in the form one load so I can judge who is doing the actual work. And next, to make a calculator, we need a text box. So already you know, you can knew that there's a text box right here, the text box, and drag and drop here. Move this. This is a text box, okay? In font, you can increase the size. Come here on the properties, fonts. Just click here and change the size, maybe 20. So based on the font, you'll see a bigger text box and give the name to the text boxes some meaningful name, okay? So tb txt input is the name of this text box. We can access this text box using the txt underscore input, okay? So when you go here and try to access this txt, you can see there's a that control you can access using this. So next task is we need a button controls. So there's a button, drop, drag and drop here. So there should be a button from 0 to 10, 0 to 9, okay? Change the text like right here 0 and copy and we can paste. Select here and use this tool. Which one? I really forget what was that tool. So right here, when we click 0, there should be place 0 here, and this should be 1. Default text should be 1, then 2, 3, 3, 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. 9. So next task we gonna apply here, gonna perform here. When we click here, that appear append the text inside the text box. So we will create events. Actually, instead of creating event, I want to create a function and attach with the every text box. Okay. So तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे पास एक दो ऑप्शन हैं कि एक तो ऑप्शन ये है कि हम हर टेक्स्ट बॉक्स के नीचे लिखें, जैसे टेक्स्ट बॉक्स डॉट टेक्स्ट इज इक्वल टू 0। ठीक है, एक तो ऑप्शन ये है हमारे पास। नो, इसको मैं कमेंट करता हूँ कि 0, या आप कनकेटिनेशन में लिखें कि टेक्स्ट प्लस 0। कितने भी ज़ीरो डालो आपको, आप लिखते जाएं। ठीक है, इसी तरह जो ये टेक्स्ट बॉक्स है इसके नीचे भी आप 0 की बजाय 1 लिखो। एक तो वन वे ये है कि आप ये काम करो, वो उससे भी एक स्मार्ट वे जो मैंने फाइंड किया है कि आप एक ही फंक्शन लिखो और फंक्शन में क्या लिखो, कि हमने एक फंक्शन बना लिया वाइड इनपुट जेनेरिक इनपुट का। ठीक है, उसमें ये कंट्रोल बीटीएन कंट्रोल हमने पास कर दिया। तो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग दिस थिंग, हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे इस फंक्शन को कॉल करें। तो जेनेरिक इनपुट और यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट सेंटर लिख दो आप। ठीक है, ये लिखेंगे, इसको चेक यहाँ पे ये लिखेंगे। नो, तो इसको हम लिख लेंगे sender as button, sender as button। ठीक है, तो हम इसको ज़रा चेक करते हैं काम भी कर रहा है कि नहीं। काम कर, तो सेम इसी को हम अगर, आप क्या करना है आपने यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे इनको सिलेक्ट करना है, इनकी प्रॉपर्टी में जाना है, कंबाइन इवेंट पे जाना है और क्लिक, क्लिक पे आपने फंक्शन एक मिनट, क्लीन सोल्यूशन और बिट सोल्यूशन, यहाँ पे जाए इसके इवेंट पे, इसके भी बटन वन वाला इवेंट लिख दें, अब देखें क्या आता है। तो इन सब के जो कंबाइन इवेंट्स है उस पे आप क्या बटन वन का इवेंट कॉल करें। तो ये स्मार्ट वे हो गया क्या, कि जिस बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे उसकी टेक्स्ट जो भी होगी वो यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएगी जाके, जैसे 8 7 4। So generally what we have done here, we just remove the repetition work. Instead of clicking the every button and writing the text like this, we simply just make a function, a generic function. So which button they will call, they will send call this function, and based on their text that will be display inside the text box. So 5 4 3 2 1. So next function there will be the button to maybe you can let it as button 5. The text should be reset. So text reset. Here we will remove everything like text from the text box. So text is equal to nothing. Okay. So next button will be the operation button. You can write here text equal, and then we'll put here controls. I will write the functionality for simple controls like plus, minus multiplication and division. Okay, so this is the layout. So I'm gonna stop here, and in next slide, in next window video, I will do write the rest of code.